Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. I think we need some love, so I'm going to show you how I play a song called Love Is All Around by the Troggs from 1967. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. The key is D major. And we're going to start the song by playing something like this. And that's our intro. In order to play that, we're going to go to a D chord and brush it twice. We'll go to a G chord, do the same thing. An A chord, hit it once. And then we'll go to the D string and hammer on from open to 2, including the G string, like this. That's twice, and then open, and then the 2nd fret on the A string. So here's what we have. And that'll get us into the song. Now for the verses and choruses, we'll play the same chords. We'll play a D, a G6, which is open like this, an E minor, G, an A. We'll play it this way. So we went to our D and did an up strum, a down strum on the G6, back to the D, and then down, up, up on the E minor. Then we'll go to G. And that was up, down, up, and on the A, down, up, up. So here we go. Next, we'll go to the bridge, and we'll lead into the bridge with this. For that, we went to the G string, fret 4, fret 2, fret 4 on the D string, open D, and then fret 2 on the D string. So that's 4, 2, 4, open 2. Then we'll start strumming chords. G chord, and we'll just strum a straight ahead strumming pattern like this. E minor, G, D, G, E minor, E minor, A. And we'll get back into the song playing this. And that was the open E string, fret 2, and fret 3 on the low E string. So that's, let's do the entire thing. So once again, the entire bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, since everything in the song is repeated, that's all we need to know in order to play Love Is All Around by the Troggs on acoustic guitar. And you can play this the same exact way on an electric guitar. Well, that's it for now. And remember, love is all around.